Hey, it's Rhonda Brzozowiec here, and I just want to say this next video is going to blow your mind. If you are a person who does any sort of business marketing on Facebook at all, you have to watch this short little video because it is going to help you save so much time, so much money, and at the same time, you're going to be building your personal brand, your business brand, and you're going to be building that know, like, and trust factor and building relationships with your audience, and all at a one-time low fee. You have to watch this, and if you like this kind of content that I'm sharing here on my channel, please be sure to subscribe and hit that bell if you want to get notifications when I upload a new video. All right, so the birthday wisher is kicking in automatically. It's opening up Facebook here. Oop, that's Saber in the background saying hello to everybody. Now I have mine set to do messages. You can see the message pops in automatically. It's going to pick out of the 5 you have chosen and sends it. That's it. That's how easy. And then it closes out. And now I'm off to take a shower while it continues through my birthday wishes for today.